And I think I'm trying something new. I hope this works. Okay, so we're going to do one step at a time on these. Like I told you before, we're first going to distribute. We're going to do nothing else other than distribute. So I'm going to distribute that -3 through, and then I'm going to distribute the 2 through. Stop what you're doing and watch. So I'm going to bring down my 2x. That's a -3x minus 30 plus 1. Notice I didn't distribute and start combining at the same time. No. Equals -1 plus 2x plus 14. I did one step, only one. I'm going to go ahead and put a wall at my equal sign so I don't mess myself up. Now I am going to combine my like terms. Those are like terms, and these are like terms. 2 minus 3 is -x. -30 plus 1 is -29. Look how quickly it got very small. On this side, I'm going to combine the -1 and the 14. That's all I have to combine. So I have 2x plus 13. Again, if you do one step at a time, it's hard to make a mistake. But if you're trying to combine steps, it's real easy. Now I'm going to move my 2x over to that side, and I have to do the opposite of what it is. It's a +2, so I'm going to subtract 2x. Gives me a -3x minus 29 equals 13. Now I'm going to move the -29 over there by doing the opposite of adding 29. -3x equals 42. Divide by -3, and x equals what?
14.
-14. If you put regular +14, find out where you missed your negative at. You missed a negative somewhere. Should be -14. Did you guys all get that, and do you understand it?
Yeah.
One step at a time. I can't stress that enough because people keep doing more than one step at a time. This one. I'm going to go through first, and I'm going to distribute. You're only distributing what's right next to the equal sign, or the parentheses. X minus 6x plus 30 equals 2x plus 4x minus 80. All I did was distribute. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. I've got like terms there and there. Here's my equal sign. I can't switch. I have to do the left side separately from the right. X minus 6x is -5x plus 30. 2x and 4x is 6x minus 80. Are y'all with me? Now I have to get the 6x over there. I have to do the opposite, so I subtract 6x. -5 minus 6 is now -11x. Plus 30 equals -80. Again, I only did one step. I could have done two, but I don't want you doing two. Now we're going to go back and we're going to move that 30 over there. Subtract it. Do the opposite. Now I have -11x equals -110. Last thing I got to do is divide by -11, and x equals 10. You guys understand? Okay. Next one. And again, I'm going to put this up on your Google Classroom. If anybody's been out a lot, you've been out a lot, other people have been out a lot, if you're still confused, pull it up in your Google Classroom. You'll see the problem, pause it, then try to work it. Try to do one step at a time. That's how you study mathematics. I'm going to distribute 1 plus 35 plus 15x equals nothing over here to do. I could have combined them, but I'm not going to because I'm going to do one step at a time. The next step is to combine your like terms. I can combine those. So I have 36 plus 15x equals 17x. Now this gets confusing because y'all are used to seeing me pull the variables over here. This time I'm not going to. If I pull this over here, nothing is left there. I've just created another step. So instead I'm gonna move the 15 over there. Makes more sense. So I have to subtract 15x. And I get 36 equals 2x. Now I can divide by 2, and x equals 18. Are y'all with me? Okay, takes practice. Doesn't take looking out the window. Takes practice. Pay attention up here, folks. I know I'm trying to get off of here so you can start doing what you need to do. Okay, I'm going to distribute here. So I get x plus 4x plus 6 minus 1 equals. Somebody asked about this. Of and times is the same thing in mathematics. So if this is 1/2 times 4x, I can also say 1/2 of 4. What's 1/2 of 4?
2.
2. Makes that real easy to multiply. So 1/2 of 4 is 2. So that gives me a 2x. What's 1/2 of 28? 14. Now the second step said combine like terms. These are like terms and these are like terms, and then over here those are like terms. So on the left, 4x and x is 5x, and is that a plus 6?
Yeah, it's 11x.
No.
No, I'm seeing.
I've got a plus 6 and a minus 1, that's plus 5.
I put plus 6x. Oh, that's what I did. Okay.
And then I've got 2x. Oh, those aren't like terms. I said they're like terms. These are not. 2x plus 14. Now, I'm going to move my x's to the left. I have to do the opposite and subtract 2x. Giving me 3x. Let me get rid of that little mark. It looks like a negative. 3x plus 5 equals 14. Now I'm going to get rid of 5. 3x equals 9. Therefore, x equals 3. Everybody good? I believe that I have the stations in the Google Classroom. I know I do in one of the classes. I'll check to see if I do in all the classes for those people at home. So I'm going to leave this running until I explain what you're going to do today, and then I'll turn that off and I'll upload it to the Google Classroom for you. But what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be doing stations out in the hallway. They are meant for you to work in groups of 2 to 3. So you can work with 2 or 3 of your friends, and this is what the paper looks like that you're going to do. There are 2 different types of stations outside. There's a little rectangular one that's laminated. You're not doing that one. You're doing the one that's black and white. The other ones are color. You're doing the black and white ones. Everybody goes to every group goes to a different station. There's 12 stations out there, front and back. Okay, pay close attention. Let's say this group goes to station F. Then that group's going to go to station H. Everybody goes to different ones, so everybody's not on one. If you go to station F, starting there, you're going to put an F in that little circle. Then you're going to write the problem and do the work right here. And let's say the answer to that F was 2. You're going to put a 2 in the box down here. Now you're going to have to go find what station has a previous answer of 2. Let's say you go and you find H has a previous answer of 2. You're going to work H next. If you mess up early, you're going to mess the entire thing up. Because if you go to the wrong station, you're just going to keep going to the wrong stations. Be careful. That's why I'm saying work with 2 to 3 people. Okay? When you are completely done with both sides, down here, you're going to put the order in which you went, which you should be able to say from here, 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 here. You're going to put that order right down here. And then you'll be done, and you can turn it in. It is being graded. Yes.
Is this being graded?
No, that's for you to keep.
Okay. That's gonna stay.
This is for you to keep. Okay? This one's being graded.
We're just putting our name and all our team's name.
No, everybody has their own paper. Everybody will have their own paper and their own work.
Can I go to the restroom?
Do what?
Can I go to the restroom?
Not right in the middle of me talking, you can't. Wait till I'm
Okay,
finished
like,
videotaping
don't
here.
know.
Okay? Has anybody got any questions how we're doing this? All right. So,